Hi friends, today in this video we'll try to see some stocks which gave breakout today. We'll try to analyze the reason behind their breakout, what is their technical setup and what does the company do. If you want, you can do your own fundamental research and deep dive research to arrive at a conclusion whether to invest into this company or not. As this video is only for educational purposes and it can act as a basis to your research. So let's begin the video. So the first company is Pyramid Technoplast Limited. As you can see, this is the daily chart of the company. तो ये जो कंपनी है ये यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस ले रही थी 180 के आसपास. मैंने हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन मार्क की है. 2 बार इसने अटेम्प्ट किया था रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करने के लिए, लेकिन ब्रेक नहीं कर पाई और मार्च से ये कंपनी कंसोलिडेशन में है. आप देख सकते हो मार्च से ये कंपनी रेजिस्टेंस में है. इसका रेंज है 140 से लेके 180, यही रेंज था इसका. लेकिन अभी रिसेंटली इसने ये आज के दिन रेंज ब्रेक किया है एंड इट इज सपोर्टेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो. वॉल्यूम भी बहुत अच्छा है. सो दिस ब्रेकआउट इज मीनिंगफुल ब्रेकआउट. Now we'll see what does the company do basically. So this company is a small cap company. Its market cap is only 723 crore, and we'll try to see what does the company do. This company was incorporated in 1997. They are the manufacturers of HM, HDPE plastic containers, IBC containers, drums, barrels and cans in India. Pyramid Technoplast Limited is a pan-India industrial packaging company focused on polymer-based molded products. So this company is basically packaging company. मैंने सर्च किया, इसका कोई न्यूज़ मुझे मिला नहीं कि क्या न्यूज़ था एग्जैक्टली, लेकिन हो सकता है कि ये जो कंपनी है ये रिसेंटली लिस्टेड है. रिसेंटली आई मीन टू से नॉट रिसेंटली बट इट वाज लिस्टेड इन सितंबर 2023. सो द स्टॉक वाज रेंज बाउंड एंड इट्स रेंज वाज 140 to 180 एंड नाउ इट हैज broke the resistance. So that's all about this stock. Now we'll try to see the next stock. Now our next stock is KCP Sugar and Industries Corporation Limited. As you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company and यहाँ पे इसने एक ब्रेकआउट दिया है. एक्चुअली ये कंपनी पिछले 2 या 3 दिन से मोमेंटम में है और यहाँ पे आप वॉल्यूम भी देख सकते हो, हाई वॉल्यूम है. एंड इसकी खास बात ये है कि अगर ये आप डेली चार्ट थोड़ा मिनिमाइज करके देखेंगे तो ये कंपनी यहाँ पे डाउन ट्रेंड में थी एंड इसका RSI जो था दैट वाज इन द 40 to 50 रेंज यहाँ पे. Now the RSI has changed its zone and it has crossed the 50 mark and hence the stock has given the breakout. Now let's see कि ये कंपनी क्या करती है. So this is also a small cap company, 365 crore. This company was incorporated in 1995 and it is in sugar manufacturing and allied business. So ये शुगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड allied बिजनेस में है. इसकी भी कोई स्पेशल न्यूज़ नहीं थी, लेकिन दिस इज़ अ ओल्ड कंपनी एंड स्मॉल कैप कंपनी है. इसके लिए ये वॉलेटाइल भी बहुत है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. तो फर्दर आप इसका फंडामेंटल रिसर्च कर सकते हो, लाइक क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द कंपनी, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, बैलेंस शीट, कैश फ्लोज, etc and etc. You can do your own fundamental research further if you like the company. Now our next company is Car Trade Tech Limited. This is our next company. As you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company and company ने ये यहाँ पे breakout दिया है. As you can see, this the RSI of this company is already in 50 to 60 zone. When the company was in the downtrend, like here, the company was in the downtrend. The RSI of the company was in the 40 to 50 zone. Now the RSI of the company has crossed this 50 mark, and so this company is now in the uptrend. So I think that it may cross this previous high because this RSI is above the 50 zone. As long as this RSI is above 50 zone, it has high potential to cross this previous high of 3,200. So you can keep this company in your watch list. Now let's see what does this company do basically. So this company has a market cap of 14,311 crore. So this is big company as compared to previous stocks. Car Trade Tech Limited is a multi-channel auto platform provider company with coverage and presence across vehicle types and value-added services. The company operates various brands such as Car Wale, Car Trade, Shriram Auto Mall, Bike Wale, Car Trade Exchange, Adroit Auto, and Autobees. The platform connects new and used automobile customers, vehicle dealers, vehicle OEMs, and other businesses to buy and sell different types of vehicles. The company offers a variety of solutions across automotive transactions for buying, selling, marketing, financing, and other activities. So that's all for this company. for uh, the news due to which this stock went up today was this, that the company may benefit from OLX Elite Buyer Program. As you can see, according to the domestic brokerage analysis, OLX Elite Buyer Program could emerge as a meaningful monetization lever if its paid user subscriptions continue to scale up steadily. That means OLX Elite Buyer Program can benefit this company. That's what this news says. And on the basis of this news, the stock rallied. So that's all for the this stock. Now our next stock, Ratnavir Precision Engineering Limited, is our next stock. As you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company, and this stock was consolidating since May. It was going up, going down. There was no meaningful breakout. Today, it gave a meaningful breakout, and yes, this breakout was news driven as it posted its quarterly results, and this breakout was supported by volume also. Now let's see what does the company do. So this is a company which has a market cap of 1424 crore. The company was incorporated in 2000, and it manufactures and sells a diverse range of SS products. So the company is the largest producer of stainless steel washers. So this company is the producer of stainless steel washers, and it also holds the leading position as India's largest exporter of stainless steel washers. Now let's see what result they have posted. So see, these are the results. Their sales went up, as you can see, from 249 to 315 crore. If you now we are comparing quarter on quarter basis, their operating profit went up from 28 crore to 38 crore. Their operating profit margin percentage slightly came down from 11% to 10%. Their net profit also went up slightly from 17 crore to 18 crore. And if you see from year on year basis angle, so the sales in June 2025 was around 265 crore. From there, it went up to 315 crore. The operating profit went up from 27 crore to 32 crore. Operating profit margin percentage stayed same, and the net profit went up from 15 to 18 crore. And that's the reason why the stock rallied. So further, you can add the stock to your watch list, and you can further track the results and the price movement, and you can do your own fundamental research to arrive at a conclusion whether you want to invest it into this company or not. Now let's see the next stock. Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited is our next stock, and as you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company, and this is the breakout that it has given. The stock has rallied from 360 to 397 in a single day, and it is supported by volume also here. Uh, uh, there was no news as such for this stock to rally. So let's see what this company does basically. So this is again a small cap company, as its market cap is around 3,150 crore, and the company Monarch Networth Capital Limited is a provider of financial services in pure stockbroking, primary market operations, mutual funds, insurance, and financial planning. It is a strategic amalgamation of Monarch Group of companies and Net Worth Stockbroking Limited. So that's all for this company. This is the basics of the company. You can do your own fundamental research. There was no specific news as such for this stock to rally. So now let's discuss about next stock. Kfin Technologies Limited is our next company. As you can see, the stock has given this breakout over here, and RSI is completely hovering near 60 levels. See, this is the zone where the RSI is hovering. This RSI is actually telling that the price wants to go up. How? Because as you can see, when the stock was in downtrend, the zone of RSI was around 40 to 50. Now the RSI has changed its zone, and it's around 50 to 60. As you can see here, the RSI went up to 60, again came down to 50, take support at 50, again went up, again came down, and again went up. So this continuously breaching that 60 level tells us that the price wants to go up. So this is the technical setup of this company, and as we all know this company very well, so no basic introduction is required. Will this stock rallied because of its quarterly results? So let's see its quarterly results. See, uh, As you can see, the sales went up marginally from 347 crore to 357 crore. The operating profit went down actually from 128 crore to 122 crore. Operating profit margin percentage also went down from 37% to 34%. Net profit also dropped from 81 to 75. But if you see on YOY basis, the sales went up from 274 to 357 crore. Operating profit went up from 114 to 122 crore. Net profit went up from 77 to no, it went down from 77 to 75 crore. So nothing very big as such, but the stock rallied. And that's all about the stock. You can add the stock in the watch list, and as the RSI is telling you that the stock wants to go up, you can keep this in your watch list. And now our next stock is Senco Gold Limited is our next stock. And as you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company. So this stock was in consolidation since long, since May it was consolidating, and the range was also around 280 to 360. Now it has given a meaningful breakout over here, and as you can see, the RSI has also gone up. It has changed its zone basically from 50 to 60, and it's above 60 only. So it's high chance that this stock may go near to this thing. See, it can go near to this price. That's what the RSI is telling, because it is an overbought zone and it has changed its zone. See, when the stock was consolidating here, the RSI was going up, breaching 60 level, again coming down, breaching 60 level, again coming down. It was not able to stay constant or stay put above that level. Now here, as you can see, the RSI is completely uh, keeping above 60 and above 50. So that means that this is a meaningful breakout, and the stock may clinch its previous highs, or it may reach near 520. This is what the RSI is telling. So now let's see what does the company do basically. So the company was incorporated in 1994. Senco Gold Limited is a pan-India jewelry retailer, and is the largest organized jewelry retail player in eastern region of India based on number of stores. Senco Gold Limited is India's second most trusted jewelry brand. So this is a jewelry company, and as such there were no quarterly results or no news, but there is momentum in these jewelry stocks. So now let's see our next stock. Tribhuvandas BMG is a very limited. This is our next stock, and as you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company, and this is the momentum of the stock. And as you can see, the company is the stock is the RSI of the stock is continuously above 60 level. So that means the stock will be in momentum, and the trend will be upwards only. And and again, this is again a jewelry stock. That means there is momentum in the jewelry stocks, because there is no specific news about this stock. So now let's see what does the company do. So Tribhuvandas BMG is a very limited. Again, this is a small cap company with a market cap of around 1868 crore, and it was incorporated in 2007. And again, this is a jewelry company, so no need to discuss in detail. You can do your own fundamental analysis to decide whether you want to invest or not. Now our next stock, Radhika Jewel Tech Limited. So again, this is a jewelry stock, and as you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the company, and this is the uh, day where the stock has given the momentum. And as you can see, the RSI is above 60 again. As you can see, the RSI was the zone of the RSI was from 40 to 50, but now it has changed at this point. So this is the this is the uh, place where it has given the breakout, and the RSI is above 60. So you need to keep the stock under radar. And as you can see, I have already discussed two jewelry stocks before, so that means there is momentum in the jewelry stocks, so you need to keep these stocks under radar. And our next stock is Laurus Labs Limited. This is our next stock and last stock of this video. As you can see, the stock is in continuous uptrend since April. The stock is in uptrend, and this is the again point where the RSI has gone above the 50 mark, and it is continuously staying above the 50 mark, and this explains that the stock will continue its uptrend, and this is what you are seeing on the screen. And this is the today's day where it has given this breakout, and the reason is that the company has posted the wonderful quarterly result. And let's see the company's results. So this is the quarterly result. As you can see, the sales have gone up from 1812 crore to 2026 crore. The operating profit has gone up from 512 crore to 638 crore. Operating profit margin percentage 28% to 32%. So this is a good improvement. And the net profit has gone up from 282 crore to 362 crore. This is quarter on quarter analysis. If you see year on year, the sales have gone up from 1570 crore to 2026 crore. Operating profit has gone up from 382 crore to 682 crore, 638 crore. So this is a very good jump. The net profit has gone up from 162 crore to 362 crore. So this is one of the company which has given the best quarterly results, and that's why the stock has rallied and the stock is in continuous uptrend. So that's all for this video. So we have seen these 10 stocks. You can add these stocks to your watch list. And if you like this video, please do share and subscribe it. And this video is only for educational purposes. Thanks for watching the video.